Hi everyone. So today we'll be discussing on the topic cycle detection. Yep, cycle detection. Yep. So now this is one of the famous this one linked list algorithms. Yep. Let's go through the definition what it states. Let's see what it states actually. Cycle detection in a linked list checks whether any node is revisited while traversing the list. Yep, cycle detection in a linked list checks whether any node is revisited while traversing the list. If revisited, the linked list contains the cycle. If revisited, then the linked list contains the cycle. It's as simple as that. It's cycle detection in a linked list checks whether any node has been revisited while traversing the list. Yep. So any node, if it is traversed again, if it is revisited, then the cycle exists, right? Then the cycle exists, nothing but the loop, right? So this is it for the definition part. Next, let's move on with the algorithm explanation. See, we will be making use of the slow and fast pointers. The same thing. So we'll be going with the tortoise and hare algorithm for this one as well. We'll be making use of the two pointers. One is slow and another one is fast. Yep. Slow moves one step at a time. We know this already. We have discussed the tortoise and hare algorithm. And another one moves at two steps at a time. Nothing but the fast pointer, right? Fast pointer. If the list has no cycle, fast will 1 second. If the list has no cycle, then the fast will reach null, right? If the list has no cycle, then fast will reach null. Yep. If the list has no cycle, then the fast will reach null. If the list has a cycle, then slow and fast will eventually meet at the same node, right? Slow and fast will eventually meet at same node or some node. Yep. So this one meeting point is equal to cycle exists where the fast and slow meets, right? Where slow and the fast pointer meets, that meeting point, if they eventually meet actually, that meeting point, by considering that meeting point, we can say that the cycle exists actually. Cycle exists. So this is the cycle detection algorithm, right? So let's try to implement the same thing in the form of code, man. Whatever we have discussed now, let's try to implement the same thing in the form of code. Yep, let's try to understand the same. It's as simple as that. First, let's do one thing. Let's go with a node class actually. Yeah, let's go with a node class. I'll just go with a class node here. It's as simple as that. So within the node class, first thing, we have to store the node value somewhere. So I'll just go with a value. So next, we'll be going with we are going with a single linked list, and it consists of the next pointer, which points to the next node actually. So I'll just go with the next here, right? It's as simple as that. Now, let's move on with the constructor part. Here, I'll just go with the int v. So this is fine. Next value. So let me assign this one to the v, and next let me assign this one to the null. Let me assign this one to the null actually. So yeah, let me format the code. Yep, so this is fine. I'll just come inside this one actually, cycle detection. So here now we are done with the node class actually. Now within the cycle detection class, so what we'll be doing. So first thing, let's check whether we have the cycle exists or not. For that, let's write the hash cycle method. Yep, I'll just go with the, so 1 second, just give me a second here. Yeah, so let me go with static boolean. So I'll just go with a hash cycle. Yeah, let me go with a hash cycle. Let me go with a, or let me consider the head as parameter. Yep. So first, let's consider the slow pointer that starts at head. Nothing but here slow equals head, and also let's consider this one fast pointer. So this one also pointing to the head. Yep. So this is fine. Next, what we'll be doing? Let's go with a while loop. So I'll just go with a while here. So while fast not equal to null. So let me write here not equal to null, right? First shouldn't be null actually. While first not equal to null. And one more thing, first dot next actually. Next, this shouldn't be equal to null as well, right? Not equal to null. So now we are making use of the tortoise and hare algorithm, right? So then we have to move the slow by 1 step and we have to move the fast by 2 steps. So that's what we will be doing. I'll just go with slow equals slow dot next. So this is fine. And fast equals fast dot next actually. Yeah, fast dot next. Yep. This one fast moves 2 steps, right? So it will be first dot next dot next. So we are moving the first pointer by 2 steps actually. So if both pointers eventually meet, then the cycle is detected, right? So I can just write it in this way. If slow equals fast actually, one second, slow equals fast, then all we have to do is we have to return Boolean value true. We have to return Boolean value true. I'll just come out of this one entirely. Now, else fast has reached the null, then no cycle exists. In that case, we have to return false. We have to return false. Yep. So this is simple as that. So yeah, I'll just come out of this one, man. I'll just come out of this one. So now let's create the node 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. Let's create 4 nodes actually here. Let me go with the node A equals new node of 1. So let me do the same thing actually. I'll just copy the same thing here. Sorry, let me copy this one. Let me consider some 4 nodes. So this is fine, I believe. Just change the values. We can consider the duplicate values, but the clear understanding purpose, let me go with the different values 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is fine. Next, I'll just set the A dot next to B. See, A dot next to B in the sense 1 points to the 2 here, 1 points to 2. Then B dot next, let me set this one to the C, 2 pointing to 3. C dot next, sorry, I'll just go with a C dot next to this one D actually, C dot next to D, and finally D dot next to B. D dot next to B in the sense, so here cycle is created actually. We are creating the cycle, right? So I'll just go with a B dot next here, D dot next to B actually, D dot next to B, right? So this is fine. So I haven't changed here. That is the reason we are getting the error. So let me change this one to B. Let me change this one to C. Change this one to D. Now the error should be gone. Yep. So finally, let's print something for the interactive purpose, right? So I'll just go with system out println. So we have to check, right? So through the has cycle method that we have written, which is of the type Boolean actually. Let me pass A actually. Let me pass. We have to start from A. Let me pass A here. Let me format the code once so that this looks good. See here something. What happened here? Duplicated show all the duplicates like this. So what we are going with here, slow equals head we are considering. So this is fine, I believe, man. Duplication is fine actually. We don't have to worry about this. Anyways, yeah, this is pure this one, tortoise and hare algorithm. Yep, so this is fine. Now see, 1 is pointing to 2, 2 is pointing to 3, 3 is pointing to this one, 4 actually, and 4 is pointing to 2. 4 is pointing to 2. So we have visited the 2 again. So the cycle is created here. In this case, as the cycle is created actually, as the cycle is created, or as we have detected the cycle actually, in that case we have to return true. So this is how we have written the code. Yep. So this is fine. Now, before writing the code, let's dry run the code so that we understand the coding part correctly and we get to know about the output part as well, right? So before running the code, let's do that. So now we will be going with the same example actually, right? So we'll be going with the same example. We have considered actually linked list 1 to 2, 2 to 3 actually, 3 to 4, and 4 to this one again, 4 to 2 actually. Yeah, this has to create the cycle. Yep. So this has to create the cycle accordingly with the example that we have considered. Let's see. So we are going with 5 steps, right? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 actually. Yep. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, nothing but I'll just use the tick mark. The same thing actually. So this one, first, uh, so both the head as well as, so sorry, both the slow as well as the first pointer. So we'll point to the head initially, nothing but 1, right? So here slow and the first both are at 1 actually, right? So this is fine. Slow and first both are at 1. So slow moves 1 step ahead. So this will be 2. And the fast moves this one. Slow moves 1 step ahead and the fast moves 2 steps ahead. Right. So this will be 2 as well as the 3. Next, again, slow moves 1 step ahead from 2 to 3. And the moves fast moves to 2 actually. Fast moves to 2. Right. So this one. Fast moves this one to 2 actually. Yep. So this one will be 3 as well as the 2. So this is fine. Next what happens? Next what happens? It will move to null actually, 4 null and then 1 and 2, 1 and 2 respectively. So first moves to 2, right? So this is fine. Next what happens? 4, right? So slow moves to 4 actually, one step ahead. This one 4, slow moves to 4 and fast moves to again from 2 to 4. Fast moves to 4, right? 4 to 4, right? So now slow is at the 4 as well as fast is at the 4, right? So slow is at the 4 as well as fast is at the 4. See what happens here, both slow and fast both are at the head initially, right? Both slow and fast both are at the head initially. Then slow moves from 1 to 2, slow moves from 1 to 2 and fast moves from 1 to 2 to 3, actually 2 steps ahead, right? So then slow moves from 2 to 3 and fast moves from 3 to 4 to again 2, right? So 3 to 4 to yeah, 3 to 4 to 2. So this is fine. Then slow moves from 3 to 4, slow moves from 3 to 4 actually, slow moves from 3 to 4 and fast moves from again 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 2 steps, right? So now slow is equivalent to the fast, slow is equivalent to the fast actually. Yep, both meet at the same. So now cycle is detected, cycle is detected as per the this one what we have discussed actually earlier. So cycle is detected, right? So when they eventually meet at the same point, the cycle is detected. Yep. So yeah, now the cycle is detected. In this case, the output will be accordingly with the code that we have written. The output has to be Boolean value true. Boolean value true. Yep. So this is it for the dry run. I hope this is clear. Just pause the video and have a look into it. So we are done with the dry run. So we have to get the output true. Let's check the same. So now we have come to the coding part. So let me run the code actually. Yeah. So let me run the code. So just give me a second here. So let's wait for some time. Let's wait for some time. So you can clearly see here, right? Cycle has been detected and we are returning the or we are getting the output true, which is absolutely correct. So whatever the code that we have written, it works absolutely correct. So whatever the code that we have written works absolutely correct, right? So we are done with the coding part, man. We are done with the coding part. We are left with only one thing, nothing but the complexities part. Let's do that or let's discuss that. So what would be the time complexity and the space complexity here? The time complexity would lead to big of n. So why it leads to big of n here? So see, in the worst case, each node is visited a constant number of times, right? Until the fast reaches null, until the fast reaches null or meets the slow pointer, until the fast reaches null or meets the slow pointer, right? So overall time complexity would lead to big of n, right? So what would be the space complexity here? The space complexity would lead to big of 1. Why it leads to big of 1? So only 2 pointers. We are making use of only 2 pointers, right? Slow and fast, right? So we are making use of only 2 pointers, slow and fast, right? Only 2 pointers, slow and fast are used. So we are not making use of any extra memory, right? Any extra memory, right? Yep. So overall space complexity would lead to big of 1. Overall space complexity would lead to big of 1. So the time complexity and the space complexity for the code that we have written leads to big of n and big of 1 respectively, right? So this is it about the complexities. Yep. Next, what we'll be doing, we will be discussing on the topic reverse linked list algorithm. Yep. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.